Exercise 4.2, first main, find x in the following figures. First one, so in this diagram, here 125 degree, here also 125 degree, and here is given x. So here we should find the x value. So you know that sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. So here we will take a 125 degree. Here we can take any letter here. We will take M. So 125 degree plus M is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, or sum of two linear pairs. Sum of linear pair, sum of two linear pair of angles. Sum of two linear pair of angles. Okay. 125 you should take to right hand side, become minus. So M is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. So 180 minus 125, you have to subtract. So M is equal to, now here this is a 55 degree. Okay, 180 minus 125. Okay, 55 degree. M is equal to 55 degree. Similarly, you can take here N, add these two angles. Sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. So here we can write it as 125 degree plus N is equal to 180 degree. So we can take it as linear pair. Linear pair. Or we can write it as sum of two linear pair of angles. So 125 you can take to RHS side. So N is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. So N is equal to 55 degree. Same. Okay. Next, what we should find here? X value we should find. So X is outside this triangle, that will become exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So X is equal to M plus N. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, then we got M value here and also N value we got here. So X is equal to 55, M value 55 plus 55. So this is equal to 110 degree. So X value 110. So this is the B1. So in this figure, first we have to see here angle 1 and this side is 90 degree, angle 2 and 60 degree is given, angle 3, then here this is a perpendicular, then it is 90 degree, angle 4 here is 70 degree, angle 5 and this is x. So here we should find the x here. So before going to find x, we know that this is a pentagon. 1 2 3 4 5 sides are given. So this is a pentagon. Now we should find all 5, sum of all 5 interior angles of this pentagon. Okay, so we know that to find the interior, sum of interior angles, okay, sum of interior angles of this pentagon, we can use a formula. So n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here sum of angles of a pentagon, sum of angles of a pentagon means 5n equal to 5 we have to take here. So n minus 2 into 180 degree, this formula we have to use to find the interior angles of this pentagon. This figure is a pentagon. So here n equal to 5 we should take here. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 into 180. Now multiply these two. 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 24, 2 carry 4 here, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. So this is equal to 540 degree. That means sum of all these 5 interior angles, sum of all these interior angles of this pentagon, that is equal to 540 degree. Now next point, what we should do, we should add these two angles, that means linear pair. So angle 1 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is first one, linear pairs. Okay, sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, or we can write it as linear pair. Now similarly we can take it as angle 2 plus angle 2 and this 60 degree. Angle 2 plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is second one. Same, this is linear pair. Next angle 3 plus here 90. Angle 3 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is third one. This also same, linear pair. Next angle 4 plus 70. Angle 4 plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is fourth one, linear pair. Then angle 5 plus x. Angle 5 plus x is equal to 180 degree. This is fifth one. Then add all this. Add 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first we should add LHS side. So we will take first angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5 one side. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, then plus, should add all this. So 90 2 times, that is equal to 180. 90 here 2 times are there, that is equal to 180. Then here 60 plus 70, 130. Then add these two, 0. So here 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1 here, 1 2 3, that means 310. So first we will add all this. We will write as it is, 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus x is equal to, now 180 how many times? 5 times. Instead of 180 plus 180 writing, instead of writing that, we can take 180 into 5. 180 into 5. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, that means here 1 2 3 4 5, all these 5 angles sum of all these in 5 angles, interior angles of a pentagon, that is equal to what is here 540 degree. So here we will take a 540 degree plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70, that is equal to 310 degree plus x is equal to, now 180 into 5 you should multiply. 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, 4 carry 0 here, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, that is equal to 900. Now we should add LHS side here. These two we should add, 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 1 is 5, then 5 plus 3 is 8 plus x is equal to 900. Then 850 you should take to right hand side, it become minus, then x is equal to 900 minus 850 is equal to 50 degree, that means x value 50. So here 50 degree.